is Rob Ballasedis. I'm 15 years old from Eastchester, New York.
My name is Mike Pizzuti. I'm 15 years old and I'm from Tuckahoe, New York.
I've been biking my whole life. My dad had a bike, my mom had a bike. They got me into it when I was at a young age. I started really getting into it last year in 2016. I've been riding with friends. My skills gotten a lot better. My bike wasn't the best out of everyone's, but I still tried all the stuff that they did. And now that I have a better bike, I'm not at the bottom.
I started biking when I was around 5 years old. Ever since then, I really enjoyed biking around with my friends, with family. Sometimes I bike by myself, but I feel that if I bike with friends, my friends would keep me motivated and I would do more things than I would if I were by myself.
I started getting into pro biking a couple months ago. I usually ride in a group of 5 or 6. I like biking with my friends because it's a lot more fun than riding by yourself. You have someone to talk to, someone to learn off of. We all learn off of each other.
There's no limit to it. It's a stress reliever. It's just one of my favorite sports.
Tell me where you wanna be. I'm standing on the edge of everything. Promise you.
I usually go around town with my friends. I do jumps, do wheelies. Biking keeps me going. It's better to bike with friends than yourself. They keep you motivated. They help you if you're like down and you don't want to do it.
I see myself in the future trying to go pro. I'm gonna increase my skill from what I am now to a lot more. I'm really gonna try my best to show everyone what I'm capable of, because people, they take one look at you, they don't think you could do what you do.